Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for the theater experience in your own living room, this MPLUS projector screen from Frenzy Bird is the perfect choice. This particular screen measures 100 inches from the top right corner to the bottom left corner. We don't have room to have a TV in our living room, but with this we can easily tuck it away and have it out of sight when we're not using it. So it retracts manually, which makes it very easy to use. You just pull on the handle, you can bring it up or bring it down. It stays in place nicely. Now we have it mounted here, so it's just free in the middle. It stays in place, but you can obviously mount it against a wall. It comes with all of the hardware you need. We were going right into wood, so we used our own hooks, but they do give you everything you need. This produces a really high quality picture. Our projector is older, so don't judge the picture quality by that, but you can fill up this whole space. If you have a modern projector, you are gonna have a really crystal clear image. It's made of a fiberglass reinforced material, so it's very high quality. This is the same material they would use in a theater. All of the stitching is really great. Every part of it you can tell is gonna last a very long time. So if you're looking for a projector screen, this is a really good option. We've been using it for several weeks now and we were really happy with it, and that's my point of view.